मतलब you don't choose to be into music. Music chooses you.
Facts.
है ना, जैसे हैरी पॉटर टाइप शिट है ना. मैंने अपना इवेंट करा था नैक्स में, वहाँ पे मतलब 2000 लोग आ रखे थे ब्रो. ना क्रेजी शो करा, फिर हमें उसके लिए अवार्ड मिला. तेरा भाई कहता है स्पीच देने ये वो बेस्ट शो
type shit.
मैं रेडी नहीं था ब्रो. What the fuck?
Nine cheated on a wife.
Cheated on your wife.
Yeah, that's actually the line.
No, that's not the line. That's not the line.
Young Flacco.
Facts. Young Flacco.
Young Flacco dog.
Babish लगती Riri.
ओए लीक मत करो लिरिक्स. लीक ये आर्टिस्ट बहुत गलत है ब्रो. ये स्टील कर लेते हैं लिरिक्स भाई.
Yeah. Welcome to the next episode of Crew. Honestly, I cannot remember which number it is, but it is the number that you will see right here on the title card. And welcome to the fucking pregame.
Yeah, we took a little break with Diwali, but we're right back with an artist that I think Rush and I have been fucking with for quite a little while. And this is someone who is from the Noida scene, from the UP scene, and someone who is really exciting, working with the underground, working with the biggest artists that you've heard, and someone we're actually quite excited to bring onto this. Shall we welcome Mr. BBB? Let's go!
Let's see how's it going, brother.
ज़्यादा समझ नहीं आ रही है मुझे white chick, so baby boo I'm in love with your melanin. Body sweet when I taste like a caramel. Baby boo I'm in love with your melanin.
Come on bro भाई, तुमने तो इंट्रो बहुत गलत ही दे दिया ब्रो. माहौल एकदम
गलत सीन भाई.
गलत मतलब
Yeah.
कि सही मतलब थोड़ा स्लैंग है.
माहौल खौफ का है bro, कोई बीती नहीं
आज
है.
थोड़ा खौफ है भाई. But today is also a bit of a special episode for us. Shout out to our first sponsor, Mr. Not Out over there. Yeah, let's go.
Come
Just
on
that one.
Bro, क्या हाल है? कैसा चल रहा है?
भाई
मेरे को भी,
बहुत बढ़िया चल रहा है bro.
अकेले मत छोड़ो मेरे को.
कोई सीन नहीं है bro.
Bro, what's been up in Noida these days? Huh? What's going on in the hood?
Music, chilling with the boys, usual thing bro. मतलब अगर मैं म्यूजिक नहीं बना रहा होता तो मैं चिल ही कर रहा होता हूँ.
Yeah,
और
fair.
वो मैं अपने पेरेंट्स को समझाना चाह रहा होता हूँ हर बार कि चिल करना हमारी लाइफ में कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है.
Work life balance, bro.
है ना?
Yeah.
Need it,
कि
need that
बहुत
shit.
इंपॉर्टेंट है bro. Like legit.
Bro, your group is also so many guys, bro. You have at least 6-7 guys that you guys are,
Okay,
pulling up with
yeah.
everywhere. How many times have we gone for a show? These guys have pulled up, पूरा stage ही भर गया
Bro,
भाई.
literally. And then you pull up with dancers and all that, like a whole
Yeah,
crew and
bro.
everything, bro. It's
Yeah,
Scene है bro, like
yeah.
legit.
At Sammy's last show, you guys had what? Some break dancers come and pull up also, na?
Yeah.
Oh,
he
that
was
was
in the
crazy.
video as well, I
That
think.
was crazy though bro.
Yeah, fire.
Social.
Yeah.
True. We did the afters.
Afters,
I don't
yeah.
know if you guys saw, but we did the afters.
Yeah, we did the afters over there. And honestly, bro, the energy that you guys bring, like, you can tell when, the UP boys are on stage. Like,
Yeah.
man,
UP Solar boys.
Yeah, UP Solar boys. sorry.
Say less. Sector. ये डिस्क्लोज नहीं कर सकते भाई. ये
भाई पूरा
confidential.
सेक्टर थोड़ी छाप लेंगे लोग
Yeah.
ढूंढने के लिए भाई.
पता
ढूंढने
चले
के
फिर
लिए.
घर के नीचे ही पहुंच गए लोग फिर.
Fair enough, bro.
That's
Fair
true,
enough.
that's
That's a
true,
worry
bro.
to have.
We keep it safe out here.
Yeah.
But today, bro, what game you want to play? Tell us.
Don't say it.
Don't say. We're not gonna listen anyway, bro. We have, I think, Brawlhalla for you today, bro. Are you ready to play for the first time?
I'm game.
I think the best
I'm
part
game.
is every time we ask the artist what they want to play, and every game that they say they want to play, we go to the farthest game from it possible. We want to make sure they do not win.
Yeah.
ये जानबूझ के करते हैं bro, ये
Of
legit
course,
bro.
भाई.
मैं पूरे टाइम कैब में वेट कर रहा था कि फीफा खेलेंगे bro.
Yeah.
But
Today
कोई-
we're playing Fafi.
If I
Fafi, yes.
Yeah, FC, right? FC,
FC,
F26. Huh.
Sorry.
But yeah.
Yeah, for sure. Let's do it.
See, in all the episodes, I'm a shit gamer, bro. I'm genuinely a shit gamer.
Tap on X.
तो सबसे गलत बंदा लेता हूँ मैं.
ले ले भाई. इतने characters unlock नहीं है. By the way.
वही मैं देख रहा था.
देख ले. 7-8 ही character
ये
है.
कुछ गलत लग रहा है bro.
हाँ ले ले भाई.
Have you played this game before?
Nah, he's never played.
Crazy. भाई ये तो मुझे भी नहीं पता कोई कैरेक्टर.
चल भाई.
मैं तो बटन मैश करने वाला हूँ.
उसने क्या बोला था? काल बैसाखी मटन बैशिंग.
Mutton.
मटन बैशिंग.
So we're vegetarians around here. Okay, cool. Lovely.
Yeah.
But yeah, bro, just before we started the shoot, you were mentioning that you've been like, now you just realized that you've been dropping songs for 4 years and
Yeah.
everything that's been going on, and you're dropping an EP soon and everything, but we'll talk about that later for sure.
Yeah,
But what about your first project, Alag? I think
Alag
you
Soch, yeah.
Alag
Yeah,
Soch
yeah,
that you dropped in 2022, I believe.
Yeah,
2022.
Yeah. So how did that come about? How did you come from singles to a whole project so early on?
उसके भी पहले ब्रो लाइक मैं और सामी ने हेनिसी रिलीज करा था.
Right.
What year was that?
That was 2022 bro, but वो थोड़ा पहले बन गया था.
Like 2022 you released it.
Yeah, तो उसकी फुल वीडियो बना के फुल क्रेजी कर दिया था. Oh shit, ये क्या गेम है बा?
Oh wait, he doesn't know the controls
Oh
also.
हाँ ठीक है वो भी समझा दे. You see this
समझ
knife?
रहा हूँ मैं.
अच्छा.
Alag Soch, bro.
Yeah bro, तो वो निकाला था हमने, मैंने और सामी ने निकाला था.
Yeah.
उसके बाद फिर I met
One sec. How did you meet Sammy?
Bro, हमारे बहुत mutuals थे bro, like since way back when, I don't even know. तो हम लोग कर रहे थे और फिर उसका एक दिन कॉल आता कि भाई कुछ कर रहे हैं, ड्रॉप करते हैं. तो हम सेल्जो, उस टाइम पे सेल्जो एक बंदा था, 105 में उसका स्टूडियो था और
105 is?
105 सेक्टर.
Okay.
Yeah. तो फिर हमने वहाँ रिकॉर्ड करा ये वो ऐसे और हमने वो निकाला वीडियो बना के. वीडियो शिशन ने बनाई थी तब और बहुत ही मतलब किसी को अंदाजा भी नहीं होगा कि हमने वो कैसे शूट करा ये वो. भाई मेरा प्लेयर कहाँ चला गया?
ये वाला जो that dropped right now. हाँ you
तो
were saying.
फिर उसके बाद वो प्रोजेक्ट निकला. फिर मैंने कहा कि मेरे को आयुष मिला, बायूस का आर्टिस्ट.
Yeah, that was the
then-
third artist now. The other
Yeah,
friend of
yeah.
yours that I met.
एंड देन हमने अलग सोच निकाला. दैट वाज लाइक अ कॉन्सेप्ट बेस्ड EP, कोलैबोरेटिव EP विद देम.
What was the sort of concept you guys were running with?
कि डिफरेंट थिंकिंग ब्रो, मतलब कि
I like so.
मतलब अलग चलना पड़ेगा
Yeah,
भाई. मतलब
yeah,
ऐसे
yeah.
तो सीन नहीं चलेगा, मतलब यू नो कि अलग सोच, डिफरेंट थिंकिंग.
Right.
तो वो 4 गाने थे अपने बहुत गलत उस टाइम पे जो मुझे बहुत ही ज्यादा गांड फाड़ लगते थे, लाइक लेजिट. अभी भी लगते हैं, मतलब ऐसा
Yeah.
कुछ नहीं है. बट ये है कि मतलब मैंने बनाया है तो मुझे पता है कि अब मेरे पास क्या क्या है. तो मुझे लगता है कि अभी तो बहुत कुछ बाकी है.
Yeah.
You know?
That's a big part of what we want to ask you. This growth of yours from Alag Soch back in 2022 to kind of the angle that you kind of reach right now as an artist. Where do you see that? Like, how do you feel about your growth since then?
Bro, it's been like a blessing, low key, bro. Like, मैंने हमेशा सोचा ही है, बट जब ये सारी चीजें हो रही हैं तो बहुत अनरियल लगता है कि मतलब कि डैम ब्रो, कि मतलब आज की डेट में अगर मैं कहीं जाता हूँ कि बहुत बार ऐसा हुआ है कि मैं अपने डैड के साथ जा रहा हूँ कहीं पे फॉर लाइक बैंक से निकल रहे हैं या फिर कुछ, और रैंडमली रास्ते में 2-3 लोगों ने पहचान लिया.
Yeah.
And that was
Damn.
crazy bro. मतलब that was like a flex low key कि भाई damn bro.
और थोड़ा सा ब्रो फैमिली को भी
है ना कि
वैलिडेशन
भाई
मिल जाता है
बहुत
कि कुछ तो
जरूरी भी
ठीक कर रहा है.
बहुत जरूरी भी
कुछ
है
तो
bro.
ठीक कर रहा है.
है ना, कुछ सही
Yeah.
कर रहा है ब्रो. और मतलब
Yeah.
मैं काफी टाइम से कर रहा था, कॉलेज के
Yeah.
पहले से भी. तो बट आज की डेट में स्टेक्स बढ़ गए हैं, है ना.
Yeah.
Facts.
तो ये सारी चीजें अब कुछ और ज्यादा सीरियस हो गया है. पहले भी सीरियस था.
But we were
और-
just kids fucking around also
Yeah.
to some
तो
extent.
लोग कि हम लोग गेम समझ रहे थे.
Yeah. So actually, a big part of my like rap also started in with the UP16 boys, with the G16 boys and all that stuff.
Yeah.
With Yush, with Pax, and with BB. A lot of my first days of just fucking around with music, just trying to see what can happen, what the sound can even be,
Yeah.
started, you know, over there. So even seeing how Noida by itself has grown is fucking cool, bro.
Yeah, bro. मतलब G16 में काफी मतलब सही लोग हैं bro, like Boy Blank, Schoolboy Pax,
Yeah.
Bro, yeah.
Dushman.
Been in the scene for ages also, and I feel like because you said right now ki acha that was a project that you were working on way before, and you had like now you feel a certain way about it. I think we had some artists, maybe BB, I think we were talking to about this, and we were trying to figure out ki acha like the old shit, because every artist has like a certain curve that they kind of
Yeah.
build when they're working on music, right? So a lot of people start hating their older
Earlier
shit because they're
yeah.
like we don't fuck with this. I think BB said it. He's like अगर तुम मेरा पुराना गाना सुनते हो
Then I don't fuck with
and you fuck with my songs back then, I don't fuck with
Yeah.
it.
अरे क्योंकि
And I'm
हमने
like,
वो
I feel the same way.
yeah bro, क्योंकि हमने वो बना रखा होता है. वो एक चीज है
Yeah.
जो हमने थिन एयर से बनाई है. वो था
Yeah.
नहीं यूनिवर्स में. तो
Yeah.
हमने क्रिएट करी है.
Yeah.
और विद टाइम वो हमने बना दिया तो हमें लगता है कि ब्रो कि अच्छा ये तो हो गया फॉर
Yeah.
अस कि वो हो गया, ठीक है,
Yeah.
वी मूव्ड ऑन.
Yeah, true.
बट लोगों के लिए वो अलग अलग ओपिनियन हो सकते हैं लोगों के लिए वो सब.
Yeah.
एंड इसीलिए फिर अलग सोच निकली. फिर मैंने बहुत सारे कोलैबोरेशन करे लोगों के साथ. clutched up bro alpha के साथ था bro that's like a
I
fucking
haven't even heard that, bro.
hardest one of my hardest songs
that
हाँ,
song
वो
with
वाला,
the third, there's a third artist also.
yeah YU
Yeah,
बहुत बहुत
nice,
underrated
nice.
मैं कल ही अपने दोस्तों के साथ था और वो लोग मुझे कह रहे थे अपन गाड़ी में चिल कर रहे थे वो कह रहे थे कि भाई मैं clutched up सुन रहा था bro ये वो ऐसे ऐसे
Yeah.
Bro, the song also came out so genuinely. Like
Yeah,
you
bro.
you hit me up saying, bro, fuck with your shit, let's do this. I was like, bet, let's fucking do it. I remember I came down to your place also. Now we chilled in Noida also for a bit.
Yeah.
Then you sent me the stuff. I sent you a verse and bus nikal gaya bhai gana.
So
legit.
how'd you feel when you sent a song and then Alpha did a verse on it and ruined the whole song?
bro नहीं ऐसा नहीं bro alpha ने kill करा है bro like legit
Yeah,
और
sure, bro.
yeah,
Sure.
मैं और
ये
वायु
भाई
थे
10
bro मैं और वायु थे हमने गाना प्ले करा उसके लिए थोड़ा शायद से बन गया था
Yeah,
थोड़ा रह
yeah.
रहा
Your
था
part of it is over there. I think the
Yeah.
second half was a bit, was not
yeah
finished.
तो मैंने कहा कि bro you the perfect fit and I wanna work with you bro you like
Yeah.
working
Yeah.
crazy मतलब और वो शिशिर को भी जानता था
Yeah, yeah, for
सारा
sure.
शिशिर my boy
Yeah,
मतलब
shout out,
सारे
bro.
visuals बैक स्पेस स्क्वी और हेनेसी बिग मैन थिंग मतलब मैंने उसके साथ ही वो सारे विजुअल्स बनाए अपन ने
Shishir
और-
shot for everyone in this room right now.
That's
Yeah,
true.
bro.
Yeah, Shishir shot for all of
He's a
us.
G, he's a G, bro, and मैं यही हमेशा से मैं करता आ रहा हूँ क्योंकि कि जो मुझे बढ़िया बंदा लगता है कि भाई तुझ में मैजिक है मैं जाता हूँ स्ट्रेट अप ब्रो कि कोई शर्म वरम कोई सीन नहीं है तो मैं जाता हूँ मैं बोलता हूँ you've got magic I've got magic let's create some
Yeah, though I think also like the way that you approach your art, like that genuineness and that rawness, people also see it. Because even when you like had messaged me and saying, "Yo, bro, let's do this," whatever little I saw on your page, because at that time I don't think that much was out. Whatever I saw, I was like, "Bro, you seem genuine, you seem raw, and you seem good. That's enough for me to want to fucking do shit." with you."
authenticity बहुत
Yeah.
matter करती है bro people
see
out
through
here
shit.
like pretend shit
Yeah.
वो कभी काम नहीं करती you gotta
Short
be real
term.
with this shit
Yeah.
मतलब लोग मतलब मैं देख रहा था कुछ चीजें YouTube पे और मतलब बट वही है कि मतलब कि दे नॉट स्पीकिंग देयर ट्रुथ
Yeah.
है ना जैसे सेंट्रल सी कहता है कि लिव योर्स
Yeah.
स्पीक योर शिट कि चाहे वो जितना अगली हो चाहे वो जितना embarrassing हो चाहे वो
Bro,
जो
that's
भी हो।
you, bro. Like
That's
whatever
you,
it is,
that's
it's
you,
you.
that's you, yeah, bro.
yeah. And actually, kind of side note, that's a big thing that Rush and I want to do with Crew was that when we call guests on, usually most of the artists who give interviews or this and that, everyone's like in their character and this and that. But we want to see the more genuine side of artists because
For sure.
it's a chill sesh, bro. Anyways, we know each other. Anyways, we're gonna hang, so
Yeah.
might as well,
Like I do
actually-
with a bunch of cameras.
और
bro.
लोग की bro भाई मतलब ये बहुत ही आंट-फाड़ मतलब like बना रखा है इन्होंने
Yeah.
bro like legit
Appreciate
bro.
that.
Thank you, bro.
Appreciate
like
that.
legit
So because you were in the UK when Sammy said मेरे कुछ लौंडे बैठे सोनीपत मेरे कुछ लौंडे बैठे UK
ब्रो
में, was he
ये
referring to
ट्रैक
you?
जब बना था बिग मैन थिंग ब्रो शाउट आउट सैमी
Yeah, shout out
भाई
Sammy.
अपना ब्रो मतलब हम लोग बहुत टाइम से दोस्त हैं मतलब और ये गाना था कि एक दिन बैम भी बहुत बढ़िया बंदा है शाउट आउट बैम है ना और
Producer for the whole generation. Bro.
yeah bro
That's
he's
facts,
like a
bro.
fucking
Yeah,
OG
genuine,
now,
bro,
like-
genuine.
That's crazy.
And then
Metro booming for India.
Yeah.
वो उस दिन जिस दिन हमें रिकॉर्ड करना था कुछ हमने गाना लिखा नहीं था बीट मैंने सोच ली थी कि भाई ये बीट बहुत गांड फाड़ है तो उस दिन बैम कुछ रीजन से लेट हो गया स्टूडियो पहुंचा नहीं मैं और सैमी वेट करते रह गए
Yeah.
तो मेरे गाड़ी में वेट कर रहे थे और मैं वो लिखने लग गया इसको। हम लिख रहे हमने नोएडा में बनाया गाना
Yeah, yeah.
और उसके बाद फिर हमने शूट करा थोड़ा इंडिया में थोड़ा लंदन में ये वो ऐसे ऐसे करके शिशिर भी आ गया था लंदन
Yeah.
बट या it was cool as fuck bro
So for you were saying you've known Sammy for a long time, even before you were into music.
yeah bro
Yeah. Oh,
yeah we had
damn.
mutuals bro even way back bro like backgate ke
Wait, how old is Sammy?
I don't know bro like
25, 26?
Nobody
Yeah.
No one. No one.
Search it on Google, even Google does
है ना
it.
Wikipedia that shit bro है ना कि but जो भी है bro like he's cool he's cool
Yeah. And what kind of at what moment did you kind of know that you were taking your personal inspirations and converting that to being a rapper, to being a rap artist?
bro मैं सही बताऊँ तो मुझे पता भी नहीं चला
Fair.
इतना naturally rap मेरे लिए आया मेरे पास
Yeah.
मतलब you don't choose to be into music chooses
Chooses you.
Facts.
है ना जैसे हैरी पॉटर टाइप शिट को है ना मतलब
All meant to be.
है ना ब्रो मतलब मैंने
सब लिखा हुआ है.
मतलब बचपन से मैं म्यूजिक कर रहा था I was a percussionist तो
Yeah.
इंडियन क्लासिकल तबला से शुरू करा था
Yeah,
मैंने।
damn.
I was in a boarding school in Dehradun Kasiga
Which one? Kasika?
कासिका
Okay.
Yeah, तो और बहुत ही बढ़िया था वो बोर्डिंग स्कूल तो वहाँ पे मुझे बहुत अच्छे गुरुज मिले है ना तो मैं ऐसे डेवलप होता रहा एज अ परकशनिस्ट फिर इवेंचुअली कुछ चीजें हुई कि मैंने पहली बार मेरा ब्रेकअप हुआ मैंने कुछ 4 लाइनें लिखी
Of course.
The classic story,
Had to be, bro.
है ना
Had to
फिर
be,
मैंने
bro.
चाला कि
Yeah.
मैंने ये रात में लिखा मैंने कहा कि ओ वो मैंने कुछ लिख दिया है ब्रो दिल से बात कुछ निकल गई है, मैंने कहा डैम ब्रो।
Yeah.
तो फिर मैंने 2 साल बस लिखा, उसके बाद फिर बट मैंने निकाला नहीं कुछ। बहुत सारे लोग फोन से रिकॉर्ड करके कर रहे थे और वो सब, बट मुझे ये क्लियर था कि मुझे वैसे नहीं करना। I've got a benchmark मेरे लिए खुद के लिए, और मुझे वैसे स्टार्ट करना है अगर करना है तो फिर सबसे 2 साल मैंने लिखा, मैं अपने दोस्तों में सुना रहा था, ये वो साइफर्स जा रहा था, मैं खेल कर रहा था साइफर्स ये वो।
कहाँ के साइफर्स?
ब्रो दिल्ली में कुछ
दिल्ली
होते
में,
थे
ठीक
ब्रो
है,
उस टाइम पे। और
स्पिट्टो वाले?
स्पिट्टो वाले नहीं ब्रो, कुछ अलग अलग होते थे, कृतिक गया,
Okay,
you know,
yeah,
तो ये
yeah,
सारे
yeah,
लोग
yeah,
कुछ ना
yeah,
कुछ हो रहा
yeah.
होता था। तो मैं बहुत सारे साइफर्स गया, मैंने किल करा। मैं सब वन ऑफ माय फर्स्ट साइफर्स में वैम से मिला था वहां पे,
Nice.
है ना। और मैंने बोला कि भाई तेरे साथ काम करना है ब्रो, यू गॉट मैजिक, आई गॉट मैजिक, लेट्स क्रिएट सम।
So he was playing his beats for people over there?
ना, he was just there bro.
Oh, okay,
I knew him,
yeah.
I was like I want to work with this guy,
Hmm.
है ना। एंड उसके बाद ऐसे ही मतलब फिर करते फिर 2 साल बाद मैंने कहा कि अब जो मैं लिख रहा हूँ, जब मुझे लगा कि इट्स लाइक सॉलिड गोल्ड, like now we release it the right way, तब शिशर मिला मेरे को। मैंने बोला कि you got magic, let's create some, है ना। क्योंकि वो रियल रिकॉग्नाइज रियल वाली शिट है। मतलब अगर तुमने मैजिक को समझ लिया वो क्या सीन कर रहा है वो कुक, मतलब तो हर किसी में एक अलग बात है, हर किसी की अलग स्टोरी है। तो वही है कि साथ कोलैबोरेशन इज द की ब्रो।
Yeah, 100%.
कंपटीशन कोई सीन नहीं है, कोलैबोरेशन इज द फर्स्ट थिंग।
Benchmark also reminds, because you said there was a certain benchmark that you wanted to start with. Do you think you're at that point where I struggled with this for years, where I think my taste was at a certain point and my skill was at a certain point which was much lower than my taste level, and it took me a lot of years to get my taste to a point where it could match my skill, and I could make shit that I would actually listen to if it had nothing to do with me. Do you think your taste and skill have sort of come to a similar
वही
point?
ब्रो,
at that
अच्छा
point?
हुआ कि मैंने वो 2 साल बस लिखा, है ना, क्योंकि मैं बहुत सारी चीजें बढ़िया भी लिख रहा था, बहुत सारी चीजें नहीं भी बढ़िया लिख रहा था। तो वो मैंने वो थोड़ा घिसा अपने आप को।
भाई टाइम लगता है भाई, टाइम ब्रो।
और जब मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि ब्रो अब मैं जो लिख रहा हूँ दैट शिट्स रियल गोल्ड।
But did you start with Hindi from the beginning?
या
Yeah,
क्योंकि
no?
हिंदी हमेशा मतलब इंडिया, रैप इंडिया ब्रो।
Bro, I think a lot of artists started from English because that's like, again, the kind of music that we started making was a very Western inspired sound.
100%.
Yeah.
So I think a lot of people felt more natural to go into English from when they started, which was also similar with me and Alphas, of course, always been doing English.
Yeah.
But I think I was doing English for years and I was trying to do Hindi for years, but for the first 3 to 4 years of me making music, every time I tried to write in Hindi it would sound corny as fuck. And अब जाके पिछले 1 साल में 1.5 साल में I've started making Hindi music, which I'm actually proud of because the lyrics actually mean something and not just bullshit. So I think
we had
Hindi is
this
a difficult
we had this
language to
conversation
write
with
in.
Mohit also. So
Yeah.
when we were talking about language, because he also started doing some in Bengali also. He's writing some verse in Bengali.
Yeah,
He's a cool dude,
Yeah.
bro, yeah.
So when we were talking about this, because both him and Rush write in Hindi a lot, so they were like, you know, taking that sort of mental space that because we listen to so much English music, you also have to kind of be comfortable with yourself and be like, it's not any lesser, you know, the way that they're right. Like even if people are not used to hearing this in Hindi, doesn't mean it's of any less quality
वही
than, you
ब्रो,
know.
मतलब
you know.
लोग ये बहुत करते हैं ब्रो, लाइक लेजिट। अभी गीक्स नहीं है इंडिया में, अभी हो रहे हैं।
Yeah, yeah.
तो जिस दिन मतलब ऐसे अभी सीधे मौत के गीक्स हैं,
वो कल्टी audience
एज
है
इन
ना,
लाइक
बहुत culty
भाई। तो
audience
अभी इस पूरे कल्चर के जब गीक्स हो जाएंगे, क्योंकि
Yeah.
मैं बाहर भी रह चुका हूँ,
Yeah,
लंदन
yeah.
भी बहुत अच्छा टाइम मैंने स्पेंड करा है, इंडिया में भी कर चुका हूँ मैं। लंदन जाने से पहले से मैं म्यूजिक करता आ रहा हूँ।
So you went to London for music?
Yeah, I was studying there, music business, enterprise performance business.
type shit,
है
bro.
ना, type shit,
You
like
also
that.
same.
I was
course.
studying music business in
ये
London
शिशर के
only.
uni में था, I guess.
Yeah,
bro.
we were in the same uni, but
I was in
different
Westminster.
branches.
Yeah,
Yeah.
bro.
But you know, going to uni, I was also making music from before, and I was doing it in English. But when I went to London for my university, that's when I started writing in Hindi, because I felt like the further it took me from home, the more I wanted to be closer to home, which kind of brought me closer to my language and my roots. And शुरू में मैं थोड़ा सा away था, then I started feeling like I should be more proud and fucking sell my culture more than anything when I'm here.
अरे ब्रो, मुझे
Yeah.
बहुत सारे लोग मिले कि वो कहते हैं कि I've been there, I've done this, और मैं भी करता था, but those people वो उतना मतलब they don't used to fuck with it, but जब भी मैंने करा people used to fuck with it.
Yeah,
bro.
yeah, yeah.
मतलब समझ रहे हो, मतलब अगर मैं मैंने बहुत शो करे हैं वहाँ पे, बहुत सारे गाने बनाए, बहुत सारे क्रिएटिव से मिला हूँ मैं, बहुत सारे आर्टिस्ट से मिला हूँ मैं, और they fuck with it, bro.
It's authenticity, no?
Yeah, वही तो, that what matters, bro. That it makes like it like कैसे मतलब वो सच है वो तुम्हारा,
Yeah.
ना?
अलग
rather
सोच।
than just bars और मतलब बेफालतू के bars,
Yeah,
वो
yeah.
अगर तुम अपना सच बोल रहे हो, तो मैंने ये समझा है कि मतलब कि लोग ये ज्यादा रिलेट कर रहे होते हैं कि कि ये मुझसे कितना रिलेट कर रहा है वो तो है ही, बट ये बंदा अपना सच कितना बोल रहा है
वो
और
भी है।
उसके
हाँ, वो
सच
भी
से
है।
मैं कितना रिलेट कर रहा
Yeah,
हूँ, वो बहुत ज्यादा मैटर करता
I think a lot of people in the scene have come and gone because of the fact that a lot of people were trying to be somebody else. Yeah,
Yeah,
they were
bro.
trying to speak in a certain way what they've heard.
Yeah.
But at the end of the day, you might be trying to emulate that, but you're never gonna actually
भाई
be
मतलब
for sure.
रैप हिप हॉप तो बाहर का ही रहा है, मतलब वहां से
Yeah,
स्टार्ट हुआ है, बट
yeah.
इंडिया भी थोड़ा पीछे है उससे।
10 साल पीछे चलता है bro, India music
but
में
ये
हमेशा।
है कि हम लोग ने वहां से सीखा, हमने समझा कि वो क्या सीन है, हमने वो इम्प्लीमेंट कर रहे हैं अपने तरीके से,
So
अपने
हमने
अंदाज
गान
से,
फाड़
अपने
दी भाई
फ्लेवर से।
इंडिया में, हमने गान फाड़ दी the way the rap scene is going in India. It's
Bro,
too
low-key,
cool. It's
bro,
too good.
है ना भाई, मतलब अभी बूम पे है ब्रो,
हाँ, भाई।
और ये मोमेंटम बहुत क्रेजी है, मतलब
For sure.
और we are the generation kind of
be
taking
the
it.
forerunners bro, मतलब
Yeah,
एक
100%.
पेज पलटेगा
Yeah, yeah.
and
Shout
then
out
be
Wave
the,
Brothers.
you know, like shout out the OGs bro, but like low key.
But you know, actually, I want to kind of add to what you were saying right now. So, I mean, as you guys may know, I grew up in the US and then I came back to India, like when I was in 8th, 9th class, something like that. So for me, all my initial inspiration, all the music that I heard, because I'm in LA, so all that sort of music that I heard was all the Western stuff that anyways you guys, you know, were listening here. For me, like, even though, like, because I do all my music in English, finding that sweet spot between what I'm hearing versus what my truth is, that also took a few years. Because I know when I started writing in 2018, 19, all of it was very much whatever I was hearing. You know what I was hearing, I was writing my own version, this, that, but it felt kind of inauthentic. And that's why it took a few years for me to find that middle ground from what I'm hearing and trying to emulate versus what I actually am and trying to put forward.
Yeah, I feel you.
It takes
I
time
feel
bro,
you.
it takes time, वो तो है।
Yeah, but for you in UK, you had quite a short scene, bhai. You had, you know, Shishir with you over there. You had a college which
The
was
whole
giving
gang,
you,
bro,
you know,
like-
like proper facilities.
Bro,
and
we
shit.
shared a professor.
That's
Yeah,
crazy.
so from his
उस प्रोफेसर ने मुझे
yeah.
बहुत गेम दिया था
Bro,
like
he was
first year
shout
of
out
uni.
Matt Gooderson, bro.
Yeah, bro,
That
shout
guy
out
was
Matt.
real, bro. What a
My
G,
guy, bro,
bro.
my
What a
guy,
G.
my guy, bro. He's a G, he's a
bro, he
fucking
gave
G.
straight yeah. You know, I used to sit in every class and feel like sleeping.
मैं उसकी क्लासेस मिस नहीं करता था ब्रो,
That's why,
और
bro.
सुबह होती थी 9 बजे ब्रो,
Yeah,
और मतलब मैं
yeah.
कभी नहीं मिस करता।
Bro, I used to sit in his class and come out so energized. I was like,
Yeah,
this guy
bro.
put me on so much knowledge, and his music was also synced in like video games
Yeah.
and like
Yeah.
movies.
वो
shows.
कुछ करता, वो बहुत ट्रिप बंदा था ब्रो।
He was like a fully like analog producer. He used to
Analog,
work
yeah,
with all
yeah.
these synthesizers and
Sick,
shit like that.
sick. So I was saying, UK में, bro, you had, so of course, you had a good college. You met Unlove there also, no?
Yeah bro, भाई अनलव भी बहुत बढ़िया बंदा है ब्रो।
Bro, we were gonna have Unlove on our first episode of Crew, by the way, you know?
Yeah.
Because he was in Delhi at the time, and I told him we're starting something called Crew, this, that, before we had shot our first episode.
स्क्वीज इसके साथ
Yeah,
निकाला
yeah,
था
yeah,
yeah.
Bro,
He's
उसके
a
visuals
cutie.
भी काफी sick है भाई.
ब्रो, और मतलब हमने किसी को भी अंदाजा नहीं होगा, मतलब ब्रिक बाय ब्रिक से पहले जितने भी वीडियोस निकले हैं, कोई बजट नहीं है उसका, पर अगर तुम देखोगे उसको तो
Yeah.
तुम्हें लगेगा कि मतलब कि क्या बना रखा है ना ब्रो।
Yeah. Bro, that's also because like your BBB world that you have, YouTube and all this stuff, you and Shishir have done a really good job of sort of making your visual identity very strong.
Yeah.
Like whenever you see your music video, you know it's a TK, it's you and you know Thanax type stuff who
Yeah.
are doing the visual and shit. Yeah, that was damn dope. I think
वही
whatever you
bro,
guys have done
like
together.
और वो फाउंडेशन एज एन आर्टिस्ट, मतलब कोई अगर देख रहा हो ये, तो मैं बोलना चाहूंगा कि लोगों को तब मजा आता है कि फट गया, वो सबकी फटने की डेफिनेशन बहुत अलग है, बट जब लोगों को ग्रोथ दिखेगी
Yeah.
कि इसीलिए मतलब मेरा जो अभी तक ब्रिक बाय ब्रिक से पहले जो कैटलॉग है वो एक फाउंडेशन ईयर है, समझ रहे हो कि मतलब मेरा एक कैटलॉग होना पड़ेगा, तो वो फाउंडेशन दिखेगा तो लोगों को जब ग्रोथ दिखेगी, अच्छा इसने इस टाइप का गाना निकाला था और इसका 10 गाने बाद इसने इस गाने, ओ तो ग्रोथ दिख रही है,
Yeah.
तब लोग ज्यादा ड्रैग होते हैं ब्रो, लाइक यू नो कि दैट मेक्स इट मोर रियल।
Yeah, 100%.
और ब्रिक बाय ब्रिक शूट करी थी ब्रो अनुराग भाई ने, शाउट आउट अनुराग भाई, मतलब
Blondie, let's go.
one of our,
Yeah.
like crazy OGs bro।
Also
जब मैं
major
लंदन में था
OGs in the scene.
तो मैंने मन बना लिया था कि मुझे अगर जब मैं इंडिया आ रहा हूँ
Yeah.
तो मैं इन लोगों के साथ तो
Yeah.
काम कर रहा हूँ,
Yeah.
क्योंकि शिशिर वहीं पे था, मैं आ गया था पहले, थोड़ा जो भी सीन था कॉलेज का।
So it's so funny. Once I had gone. I was at Blondie's studio in Delhi, and I was sitting with him for some meeting. And at that time, that's when you called him because you guys were working on this brick by brick at that time. So I don't know if he picked up your call or not. But after that, he showed me some of the visuals that he had planned and all that stuff. I was like so sick. I was like, damn, like he's so too talented.
I think
Yeah,
the
bro.
first time we linked up through Yak I think Shishir was there. He was
Yeah.
shooting the BTS of our studio session. Me, Yaker, and Alpha were like in the studio.
भाई
and we were
याकर भी
cooking on
बहुत
the
बढ़िया
Yeah.
बंदा है वो मेरे को
Shout out
हर
Yak
बार
भाई.
कुछ कुक करता है तो मेरे को भेजता है legit bro shout out Yaker come
He's a
on.
G.
And that verse that I wrote with you that day, that's what I used on 3200.
Oh right,
Yeah.
right. 3200 is a song of ours.
Yeah, so we
Yeah.
have to get together.
Shit, bro.
But yeah, so you now, what year did you finally come back to India?
एक साल हो गया मुझे
So
हाँ.
2023, 2024? No, from before you then.
यार थोड़ी याददाश्त खराब है मेरी वैसे बट एक साल हो गया है मुझे इतना याद है और
I think
अब मेरे यूनी वाले मतलब मैंने थर्ड ईयर नहीं करा है ना मैंने कहा कि वो बहुत एक लंबी स्टोरी है पता नहीं क्या बताना चाहिए
बता दे भाई, बता दे.
बट एज इन जैसे कि सेकेंड ईयर हुआ तो फिर मुझे एक लेबल ने अप्रोच करा था मैं नाम तो ऑब्वियसली नहीं लूंगा
इंडिया में या बाहर?
बाहर की थे वो लोग है ना बहुत बढ़िया लेबल है मेजर लेबल दे कूल पीपल और तो एक शूट थी उसके लिए बुलाया था तो आने जाने की टिकट करा रखी थी फर्स्ट ईयर में जब छुट्टियों में आया था मैंने अपने डैड को बोला था कि भाई मैं अपने आप आ जाऊंगा तब मस्त दारू वारू पी के आराम से मस्ती में भूल जाता सेकेंड ईयर में आ गया अपने आप ही है ना फिर मैं आया था एक हफ्ते के लिए आया था और उसके बाद फिर कुछ सिचुएशन ऐसी बन गई मेरी कि मैंने डिसाइड करा कि अब नहीं जा रहा मैं वापस अब मैं यही हूँ मैंने जितना सीखना था सीख लिया जो है सब कुछ है मैं कर सकता हूँ थर्ड ईयर कभी भी कर सकता हूँ हाँ इतना मतलब कोई सीन नहीं है बट मेरे को ये था कि भाई मैंने 2 साल वहाँ पे मैं एस कर रहा था ब्रो यूनी मतलब सारी चीजें मतलब अगर मैं एक इवेंट पे गया मैंने फर्स्ट ईयर में मतलब बता रहा हूँ मैं इवेंट पे गया मैंने कहा यहाँ परफॉर्म करना है मैंने वहाँ परफॉर्म करा मैंने अपना इवेंट करा था नैक्स में वहाँ पे मतलब 2000 लोग आ रखे थे ब्रो थनाक्स का जब पहला इवेंट
That was in my unique club only.
And,
2,000 people in UK is mad.
ब्रो लेजिट ब्रो और फिर हमने वो इतना क्रेजी शो करा फिर हमें उसके लिए अवार्ड मिला तेरा भाई कहता है स्पीच देने के लिए वो बेस्ट शो बेस्ट इवेंट ऑफ
क्या बोला भाई ब्रो पता है इतनी फील
भाई मुझे मैंने तो बोला कि अगर मैं कर सकता हूँ इंग्लिश में अगर मैं कर सकता हूँ तो तुम भी कर सकते हो ब्रो मतलब समझ लो
तो बॉय फ्रॉम यूपी सोना
कोई सीन नहीं है ब्रो है ना और सब लोग बहुत फक करते थे ब्रो मतलब मैं जो मैं अपना गाना निकालने वाला हूँ अभी नेक्स्ट मुझे नहीं पता कि कब निकल रहा है ये वीडियो बट 12th को ऑडियो आउट है बेबी बू 13th को म्यूजिक वीडियो आउट है तो वो गाना मैंने बनाया था जब मेरा फर्स्ट ईयर में जो बंदी थी मेरी बाहर की शी वाज फ्रॉम कैम्ब्रिज तो उससे मेरा ब्रेकअप हुआ तो मुझे तो फिर मैंने कहा जब मेरा ब्रेकअप हुआ तो मेरा दिमाग खटका मैंने बोला कि ब्रो white chicks ain't shit bro
That's great.
we gotta rep melanin brown chicks they're the best
I fully
and I was like bro I'm gonna make some bangers I came back to India and I was like lock in Sammy YU I made Flacco वो भी नहीं निकला है अभी but निकलेगा young Flacco I made तब and some shit bro some shit तो फिर मैं गया नहीं वापस मतलब फिर मैं तब से मैं कहा कि सब कुछ हो गया अब यहाँ एग्जीक्यूट करना है क्योंकि एग्जीक्यूशन में मुझे लगता है आधे से ज्यादा लोग जो इंडिपेंडेंटली कर रहे होते हैं वो फंस जाते हैं और अगर तुम्हें लग रहा है कि कोई बंदा साइन नहीं है अभी करंटली और कोई बंदा साइन है ये वो तो मतलब कि भाई ऐसा नहीं है कि मतलब कोई डील नहीं आई है या फिर किसी ने अप्रोच नहीं करा है बट इट्स जस्ट ऑल अबाउट बिजनेस और अच्छा हुआ मैंने अपने यूनि में ये पढ़ा था तो एवरी टाइम आई गो थ्रू द कॉन्ट्रैक्ट अगर मुझे वो सही नहीं लगता तो मैं नहीं करता है ना ब्रो कि चाहे वो अब कितना भी ग्रेट मनी हो बट अगर एनर्जी बहुत बड़ी एक चीज है ब्रो उसमें द पीपल यू वांट टू लॉक इन विद फॉर लाइक कि मतलब ऐसा
Bro, I think you chosen a good fucking group of people to lock in with.
है ना ब्रो और मैंने थनाक्स इसलिए बनाया है ब्रो इट्स लाइक अ क्रिएटिव कलेक्टिव और कि मतलब क्रिएटिव्स को इम्पोर्टेंस पता चले कि उनकी कितनी इम्पोर्टेंस है इस इंडस्ट्री में ये गेम का क्या गेम है भाई
शुरू करते हैं
कैसे होगा मैं कौन सा हूँ
ब्रो बीच वाला ऊपर जा
ये गुलाब है इसके पास
गुलाब है या नवंबर 14 वैलेंटाइन भी तो है
November 14th
यस
भाई हर फेब में एक गाना निकालता हूँ ब्रो अभी तक मैंने ख्वाब फेब में निकाला था ब्रो बैकस्पेस मैंने निकाला था ब्रो म्यूजिक
Backspace
ब्रो
लव गाना तो नहीं है
भाई लव गाना तो नहीं है ब्रो चल लिकर इन माय सिस्टम टाइप शिट है शाउट आउट नो डाउट कम ऑन लिकर इन माय सिस्टम बट जो भी है बट वो म्यूजिक वीडियो भी कितनी ट्रिप थी मतलब इतना
the backspace was so good bro this was in London ना
yeah bro और सारे मेरे दोस्त थे क्रिएटिव्स थे कुछ जूनियर्स कुछ ये वो ऐसे और मजा आ गया ब्रो मतलब
But do you ever feel like London got too much? Like with in terms of like how hectic like the travel is, how hectic everything is. There's so much fucking. It's overwhelming, bro. I think it's very overwhelming.
Yeah bro, मतलब मैं तो बचपन से बोर्डिंग स्कूल में रहा हूँ,
हाँ
तो वहाँ पे रहना मतलब बोर्डिंग स्कूल ने मुझे ये सिखा दिया कि आई कैन सर्वाइव एनीवेयर,
fair.
कि वो कहीं भी हो, मतलब कुछ भी हो. और oh shit.
Hey, you can press square on top of the sword to pick up the sword. Like you see the swords here and there. You got it. हाँ, क्या बोल रहा था?
So वही bro, backspace, squeeze, हमने ये सारी चीजें इतनी easily, naturally बना ली.
Even we were.
और ये जो भी मैं बनाता था ना, मैं असाइनमेंट में सबमिट कर देता था और वहाँ प्रोफेसर की गांड फट रही, भाई बहन क्या कर रहा है ये.
Bro, मैंने पता है एक चीज.
मैं पहले साल गया लंदन, फर्स्ट ईयर में ब्रो, चलो एक्स पे तो फ्लेक्स नहीं करना चाहिए, बट बीबीसी में गाना बज गया मेरे भाई का. तो मेरे सीनियर्स वीनियर्स आके ऐसी अनलव भी ऐसी आया था कि मतलब ही वाज लाइक अ सीनियर ऑफ माइन. उसने भी कुछ ड्रॉप आउट
You did a show in Westminster also, ना?
What?
You did a show in Westminster
Yeah bro,
also, ना?
Lafayette हमने करा था, और
Yeah.
वेस्टमिंस्टर में भी वो लोग ऑर्गेनाइज करते थे, तो
Yeah.
वहाँ पे भी बहुत परफॉर्म करा है मैंने.
Yeah.
ये वो उसके पैसे वैसे मिलते थे, और वहाँ पे मुझे सबसे ज्यादा अच्छी बात ये लगती थी कि मैं जिस बंदे को भी बोलता था ना कि आई एम लाइक अ म्यूजिशियन, आई एम एन आर्टिस्ट, आई मेक म्यूजिक, बहुत एप्रिसिएशन मिलती थी. रादर देन मतलब ओवर हियर लोगों को एक्सप्लेन करना पड़ता है कि मतलब कि मैं क्या करता हूँ.
तो थोड़ा ट्रेडिशनल माइंडसेट हो जाता है on an
और डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है ओल्डर जनरेशन के साथ कॉन्वर्सेशन करना कि मैं क्या करता हूँ,
For sure.
और मैं कैसे करता हूँ, मैं क्यों करता हूँ, और वो कहाँ से कर रहा हूँ मैं, और ये सारी चीजें, और इससे पैसा कैसा आएगा. म्यूजिक इंडस्ट्री में बहुत पैसा है ब्रो.
100%.
लोगों को
तो है
अब
बहुत
जिनको
भाई.
पता नहीं है उनको पता नहीं है, है ना,
तो-
बट जिनको पता है वो जो
Yeah.
जिन्होंने गेम को स्टडी करके
Yeah.
अब एक्सप्लॉइट कर रहे हैं वो अपने तरीके से, क्योंकि यही करना पड़ता है bro.
100%.
है ना.
Bro, the more that
कमा रहे हैं.
I've got into the business side of the music industry, I've seen how much money is being poured into the fucking game right
Yeah
now.
bro, low key man.
Bro.
और वो ये सीन अच्छी बात भी है, क्योंकि जितना ज्यादा इस इंडस्ट्री
Of
में
course,
पैसा आएगा
bro,
वो
of
उतना ज्यादा
course.
रिवॉल्व होएगा.
Yeah.
That also reminds me, bro, like every time somebody, as you said, like, to the elder generation, it's a bit harder to explain. Aaj tak when people ask me, like, older generation, mein ki, what do you do? I say something like, ठीक है, I organize events or something like that, because I'm like DJing, but like, क्या उनको समझाओ?
Yeah.
So I'm like, ठीक है, I'm like organizing events, and they're like, हाँ, यहाँ पे यहाँ convention center में कोई business की meet हो रही है, उसमें आप जा रहे हो? And I'm like, हाँ, वही वैसे टाइप के events हैं.
ब्रो
भाई,
वही
क्या
ब्रो,
समझाऊं
और
मैं?
मैं तो गाने बनाता हूँ ब्रो, और अंकल आंटियां बोलने लगते हैं अच्छा सोनू निगम अच्छा.
वो मेरे को बचपन से कह रहे हैं कि तुम इंडियन आइडल पे क्यों नहीं जाते? हम
ब्रो
like, नहीं, नहीं.
क्या सीन है ब्रो.
That's
अरे
not
इंडियन
the
आइडल
vibe.
से आता है ब्रो, हसल का भी आया था तेरे भाई को, कि
facts.
मतलब बहुत लोग मुझे डीएम कर रहे थे कि भाई तुम्हें हसल में जाना चाहिए, वो भाई
Yeah.
बहुत कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मेरे को नहीं लगा
Yeah,
सही.
bro, a
तो
lot of
मैंने नहीं
people
करा
have
bro. और
even.
भाई ब्रो शाहरुल एंड डीनो जेम्स शारोट भाई वो बहुत ओजीज हैं ब्रो, लाइक
Of course.
क्रेजी पीपल. और उन्होंने वो लंदन आए थे, उनकी म्यूजिक वीडियो हमने शूट करी थी.
Ah, yes, I remember. Yeah,
क्या गाना था
Shahrukh.
वो,
कौन सा वाला?
क्या गाना था
I saw the videos, bro. Shishir and you.
Oh, bro, don't you remember we met Shahrukh at some event in
Bro,
Bombay?
Shahrukh started in Surrey as well, bro. I
Yeah.
started in
Yeah,
Surrey.
bro,
Yeah.
he was in, bro.
He was in Guildford, I think, where I was also staying.
Bro,
So we
he's
had
a
a long
cool
bonding
ass
session
dude,
over
bro.
there.
I've got a song with him as well.
Yeah,
And
okay,
yeah,
nice.
bro, अभी मैं
That's
बॉम्बे गया
crazy.
था, तो हम अपन ने कुक करा,
Yeah.
and we met in London.
Fair,
Lisa
yeah.
Mishra, Dino James, Shahrul.
You keep on
और-
going to London.
नहीं मतलब जब मैं लंदन में
Okay,
था
okay.
तो उन्होंने मतलब बोला था कि ब्रो लेट्स क्रिएट सम ये वो ऐसे ऐसे
हाँ.
करके, तो मैंने बोला श्योर ब्रो.
Yeah, because we went for when we were in Bombay like a year or two ago. Me and Rishu were chilling, and we were with Prachi, who I think at that time was managing Shahrukh.
Yeah.
And we met Shahrukh in one of these events, and him and Shahrukh were talking, and he just comes to me. He's like, "Bro, can you imagine? Shahrukh was in the same fucking university or something, same area
in
that
the
I
same
was.
town,
yeah,
yeah.
Guildford,
same
yeah.
town.
Guildford,
Yeah.
Panam से पास है वो.
Yeah,
Yeah. Shishir is in Farnham, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, but mad shit, bro. Mad shit. Sorry, so random.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
Nah, he's cool, bro. He's cool, bro. Even
Yeah.
Dino James cool as fuck, you know. और यूनी में मुझे बहुत सारे अच्छे फ्रेंड्स भी मिले ब्रो, लाइक विवान, अयान and
Nice.
and Ayan is like इसका producer name, he's a producer.
Okay.
Producer name .5 है.
अरे.
He's like, वो भी he's like कैसे बताऊँ मैं, इरफान खान,
Yeah.
that's his father.
Okay.
R.I.P.
Oh wait.
Yeah. तो बाबिल का छोटा भाई है वो.
Oh
shit,
really?
bro.
Yeah, और विवान ये मेरे भाई लोग हैं, मतलब
हाँ,
चट्टी
हाँ.
बट्टी हैं अपने भाई.
Damn.
और विवान के डैड भी मतलब बहुत क्रेजी एक्टर है. रजित कपूर अंकल, मतलब क्रेजी ब्रो। तो मैं जब भी बॉम्बे जाता हूँ तो मैं उन्हीं के घर रुक रहा होता हूँ।
That's crazy, bro.
और
तो next
So
time
you've
साथ
seen
चलेंगे
Badal
bro।
for like many years now, that means.
या ब्रो, मतलब मैं बॉम्बे में ही मिला हूँ
हाँ,
उससे।
हाँ।
या he's cool, he's cool।
Nice bro।
और ये लोग बहुत अच्छे लोग हैं ब्रो, मतलब
Yeah।
आधे लोग इस इंडस्ट्री में क्या होता है, बहुत लोग गेट कीप कर रहे होते हैं और आधे लोग उस रूम में नहीं घुस पाते हैं। और फिर मतलब उस रूम में ही घुसने में मतलब वो होती है। तो मैं आई फील टू ब्लेस्ड कि मतलब कि मैं उस रूम में बैठ पा रहा हूँ, मेरे कनेक्ट्स हैं, टच मतलब, और सारे ग्रेट माइंडसेट वाले लोग हैं, चाहे वो सैमी, वैम, फ्लाई, अर्बन, यू नो, मतलब और कोई किसी को मिस कर रहा हूँ तो वायु, अल्फा, यू नो,
Hey, let's go. One crew, bro. One crew, bro.
Yeah, तो Vivan.5 और सारे लोग ब्रो, like Legit Shisher.
No, for sure, bro. I think what's it called? Like seeing a lot of your work, I think your collaborations have like, not to say that you know your personal work is any less, but I feel like the way that you also collab with other people is damn special, bro. I think you have chosen the right people around you who have been able to kind of match so well with what you're doing, where it's not like, oh, this is just a feature. It's like, okay, this is the fucking, you know, this is the movement that you guys are doing together.
Yeah, bro, क्योंकि यही करना पड़ेगा ब्रो, वरना ऐसे चलेगा ही नहीं।
हाँ,
bro,
exactly.
कि अगर वो रियल नहीं होता, मतलब समझ रहे हो, अगर तुम उस बंदे से कनेक्ट नहीं कर रहे हो और तुम्हें उस पे भरोसा नहीं है, उस बंदे को तुम पे भरोसा नहीं है, तो फिर सीन नहीं है ब्रो।
But I feel like collaboration is a whole different art to just working on something yourself, because I think as musicians people often have this tendency to just be in their own hole and just kind of do things you know, by yourself, which I struggle with. Like if I'm working on music, I need to be in my own zone alone, and that's when I can do my shit best. But I feel like collaborating is not a skill that I have developed as of now, which is a whole other skill, bro. Like sitting in a room with someone else and being able to fully express every detail of yourself and being fully yourself, thoda mushkil hai, bro.
Bro, saying even most of the verses I've written on other people's songs, it's usually like I might write a little with them, but most of it, like even our song, I wrote separately and then I just sent you. So that thing, and I think that's held me back a lot, because a lot of times when I'm in the room with producers, even if we find the right beat, so many times in my head I'm like, fuck bro, I'm gonna have to tell this guy, bro, I'll just send you the verse, and that feels bad also, because that also limits how much we can do in the studio, bro. Because if I feel like, okay, I'll have to do my shit separately and this guy will come separately, I feel like that also limits the in the moment spontaneity of what you guys
But
can
I
do
think a lot of
together.
times as an artist you have an opportunity, you get presented to you sometimes where you're put in a studio with someone in a place where you have to get done with something, and that exact interaction decides whether you end up doing that or not. और कभी-कभी उस space में अगर नहीं होता तो you're losing out on a great opportunity that you could have had.
बट अगर दूसरे बंदे को तुम पे भरोसा है तो वो कोई सीन नहीं है।
That's also
बट मेरे
true.
साथ भी बहुत सारी चीजें हुई हैं, जैसे अर्बन के साथ मैंने जितने भी गाने बनाए, शाउट आउट अर्बन पोएट भाई है अपना, और बहुत ही स्पॉन्टेनियस है, मतलब बहुत ही मतलब ऑन द स्पॉट में लिख रहा हूँ। जैसे एक गाना शांत, मैं सैमी वैम की बीट थी वो, अर्बन वैम्प ने ऐसी बीट बना दी, मैं बोला, मैंने सबको बोला कि भाई चलो देखते हैं कौन सबसे पहले लिखता है इसको, है ना?
Nice, bro, nice.
तो मैं अलग कोने पे, सैमी अलग कोने पे, अर्बन अलग
सारे
कोने
लगे
पे, है ना? भाई मैं ट्रिप कर रहा हूँ, ओह शिट, नो, मैं बहुत हाइप कर लेता हूँ कि मतलब कि मैं अपने आप को बहुत हाइप कर लेता हूँ। तो फिर तो ये है,
every verse, right?
क्योंकि ब्रो क्यों नहीं, मतलब भाई क्योंकि अगर तुम अपने आप को हाइप नहीं करोगे तो तुम्हें कोई नहीं करेगा।
Yeah,
Fucking hear that, bro.
तो ये सीन है ब्रो, तो अपन ने लिखा और मतलब भाई क्रेजी गाना है भाई, मतलब अब हमने बहुत सारी चीजें ऐसी क्रिएट कर दी, हमने बनाया वो, तो हमें लगता है कि अच्छा हाँ ठीक है बढ़िया है, मतलब हमारे पास और भी बहुत बढ़िया काम है जो भी बाहर नहीं निकला है, बट लोगों के लिए तो वो फर्स्ट टाइम है, लोग मतलब है ना, तो सबका अपना ओपिनियन होता है।
Yeah. But that reminds me, Alpha is a great hype man also, bro. Which is why we're having a gig on the 28th at Oro called Mosh,
pull up.
in association with Crew. And what do you call it? Alpha is actually the MC for that gig.
Yes, sir.
Because he's the greatest hype man you'll meet. So he's going to be introducing. We're having a bunch of hip hop DJs. We're having a bunch of hip hop artists coming on rapping. BBB is coming through as well.
Yes, sir.
So you guys should definitely pull up, and Alpha's gonna hype everyone up before their sets.
Of course, bro. I love showing support, bro. I think MC. A big part of all the artists that we've called on this show this season have been people who we genuinely fuck with. It's not about, like, I don't think we've shot any episode or spoken to any guest just with the thought of, oh, bhai, numbers aa jayenge. We haven't had a single conversation in Crew thinking what we'll get out of it. It's like what we can give.
It's not a result-driven thing. Like from the beginning, it was more of like a thing where all the exposure that the Indian audience has to artists is a very mainstream and commercial perspective, and I feel like the underground has so much shit to offer that's not coming out to the mainstream yet, and that was kind of our goal with it. We want to pull it out and push it out to the commercial audience, which I think we're a little bit getting closer.
वही मैं कह रहा था
to.
सबसे पहले कि geeks नहीं इंडिया में अभी बन रहे हैं
Yeah.
बन रहे हैं.
अभी अवेयर नहीं है, एक्सेप्टेंस नहीं है, और बाहर मैं रह चुका हूँ तो मुझे लगता है कि वहाँ पे इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बहुत अच्छा है, कल्चर बहुत अच्छा है, एक्सेप्टेंस बहुत ज्यादा है। यहाँ पे जो अब हो रही है तो हमसे मतलब मुझसे पहले जितने भी आर्टिस्ट हैं, मतलब चाहे वो बादशाह, रफ्तार, हनी सिंह या फिर सीधे मौत, तो इन लोगों सबका अपना तरीका रहा है, सबकी अपनी जर्नी रही है, सबका अपना पाथ रहा है, जिससे हम सीख सकते हैं कि इसने क्या सही करा, क्या गलत करा, और हम उस गेम को समझ के अपने तरीके से कर सकते हैं कि अब हम क्या गेम को स्टडी करके अपना मूव करें, है ना। और उनकी वजह से लोगों को एक्सेप्टेंस बढ़ी है, समझ बढ़ी है, और अब थोड़ी और बढ़ रही है, क्योंकि जेनजी मतलब भाई कि ये इतना बढ़िया टाइम पे हम लोग, मतलब मैं तो मतलब क्या ऐसे कि इतने बढ़िया टाइम पे अपन म्यूजिक कर रहे हैं और अपन आगे हैं कि मतलब हमारी ऑडियंस इतनी अच्छी है कि वो समझ पा रही है। उनको
And they're
exposure है।
excited, भाई. उनको भी काफी, you know, they all the love that, you know, we see at the shows, the love that we see at shows, the amount of times we see people giving us more energy that even we're giving. It's really good.
It's Uno reverse.
But yeah, glad to have you on the show. Happy to have you on this segment of the show as well.
on,
Now we're gonna
guys,
move on
likewise.
to a little bit of a section. We're gonna move to game time.
Yes,
you know
sir,
how
yes,
it goes
sir.
if you've seen one reel.
And you've seen at least one reel.
Yeah. So I think we're gonna see you guys at game time. Squee squee.
You guys are familiar with how the game goes. If you don't know by now, I guess it's too fucking late.
Is he freestyling?
That's just how I speak. And if you don't know, now you know, brother.
He's cringing me out now.
Bro, shut the fuck up, bro. You're such a truth, bro.
Bro,
I bet.
Okay.
I bet.
we serious in that bitch, bro.
We're serious in this,
Come
bro.
on.
Fair.
Game time over here. First section, as you guys may know, is album covers, where we're going to show you the album cover. It's 3 points for guessing the actual album cover name, and it's 2 points for guessing the artist name. Cool. From that, we move on to section 2, which is guess the artist, as in I'll say a lyric and you have to guess the artist, or complete the lyric. When I say guess the artist, as soon as I start, you can beep the buzzer at any time. When it's complete the lyric, please wait for me to finish the lyric so you guys can start. Okay.
Fair.
Then third section is just normal hip-hop trivia, Western, Indian, all of that. And then we have some fun non-point rapid fire games. Yeah, you guys got it?
You'll give the rules as we go about the section.
I will. If there's any confusion, I'll let you guys know. The first section, as always, is just the album cover. Wait.
You hear the percussionist, so.
Bajani.
Okay, sorry.
Okay.
I think you have to hit it.
Of course I'm gonna hit it.
Touch it.
Okay. If you guys are ready right now, we're gonna show the album cover there. When I say ready, she's gonna turn it around. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Please show the first one.
The fuck?
Just
that?
dropped. Very recent drop.
What the fuck is that? I know about that, bro.
No? 3, 2, 1.
ये
चल मैं guess कर रहा हूँ,
Guess
मुझे
कर
पता नहीं है ये कौन हो सकता है।
Aye.
I'll give you a hint.
You
Recent
gotta
drop.
give them 10 seconds.
Recent drop.
Yeah, recent. 10.
Yeet?
No.
No, okay.
Nah. Okay, Kendrick.
No.
No,
This
of course
was
not, bro.
Jack Boys 2 by Travis
Yeah,
Scott.
that's
Jack Boys.
what the fuck?
Yeah, that's the album cover.
Travis Scott, come on, big up.
Big up Travis
Big
Scott.
up.
तूने दिल्ली में मचा दिया.
Come on, भाई. Scene कर दिया भाई तूने.
Scene कर दिया दिल्ली में.
Okay.
Crazy.
Album cover number 2, please.
एक सेकंड
no.
से भाई हाथ
आराम से
बीच में
भाई.
होने चाहिए bro.
नहीं बीच में.
नहीं?
One second.
That's Drake and 21 Savage.
Yeah.
Of course, okay.
Not all heroes wear capes.
No. No.
मैं बता रहा हूँ.
Wait, 2 points you got for the artist name,
Yeah.
but
Drake and 21.
Yeah.
Fuck क्या नाम था इसका bro?
कुछ तो था. कुछ तो नाम था.
कुछ तो है भाई. कुछ तो नाम तो है इसका.
कुछ है bro. Drake भाई Drake. All Dogs. क्या नाम था इसका? Drake तो for sure bro. I forgot it.
Yeah.
Okay, so no one buzzing? Pass again.
Pass.
Yeah. I'll get the 2 though.
Okay, For All the Dogs by yeah.
Dogs तो बोला था
Yeah,
मैंने
but
वैसे.
that's For All the Dogs.
But I got the
Yeah.
artist name right.
Okay,
Okay,
ठीक है.
let's keep the
2
hands
points
here
for him.
and then wait,
Number
I'll send to this shit.
Yeah, are you guys ready?
Cool, yeah, fuck yeah.
Number 3, please show.
That's Yeet. Sorry.
भाई ये बहुत कसके बजा
That's
है
Yeet.
bro.
That's Yeet. I'm sorry, bro. I'm aggressive like that. I have a lot of power in me.
Oh
Look at
shit,
it.
oh shit.
Yeah.
That's Yeet. That's the newest album by Yeet also.
If you know the what's it called?
No, hold on. Give me
okay.
done. I know it's the one where
Tick, tick,
Coming,
one.
Goa, it's a tick,
tick,
it's a
two.
salam. Fuck that.
Tick, tick,
I don't-
three.
I don't know,
Okay,
honestly.
pass.
I know
If you know
Zeed.
the thing, you can
I know
buzz it.
Zeed.
Yeah, 2 points for you.
अगर भाई अब कोई फायदा नहीं है bro.
नहीं?
No, if you get the album name, you get 3 points.
Oh shit, okay, fuck it.
Okay, that was Dangerous Summer.
Shout out Yeet, Maji,
fair.
Maji.
Dangerous Summer by Yeet. I thought you listened to this album, bro.
I
thought-
do,
yeah,
I
yeah,
do, but I didn't remember the
मुझे
name.
थोड़ी बोलने की बीमारी है.
I think this is my favorite album of the year so far.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Damn,
I love
don't
it.
even know
He's
the name.
dope as fuck though.
Fuck.
Yeah.
Hard as fuck.
Okay, please show the next one now.
I got it.
ओए रुक जा.
Testing ASAP Rocky.
Yeah, let's
चल
go,
ठीक है
let's
ठीक है. Flaco we rap that shit. Flaco.
go. Flacco.
चल,
भाई,
ना,
तुझे
keep
तो
it
पता होना
in
है ना
चाहिए।
bro मैं करने
Yeah.
लगा तो उसने बता दिया पहले bro.
Check this. Sexy.
Don't laugh.
Don't.
Don't tell them what to do, bro.
Okay.
They have an identity of their own.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. That was the fourth one. Now the last one. Please show now.
Gunna. Ah, fuck it.
Correct.
है ना the last one.
Yeah.
Bro, you know what I'm saying, bro.
He knows. He knows the shit. He knows the
That's
shit.
4 points.
Give me a pinky promise.
Yeah.
No, give me a pinky promise.
I'm homophobic as fuck.
Might be both.
Give me lock it.
Lock it.
Lock it with a thumb.
Nah.
He knows the shit.
Bet.
Okay.
bet.
So
That's
done
it?
with section one. That was section one.
Section 1. Good one.
Points.
Come on.
Come on.
भाई वैसे I bet.
Okay.
Okay.
Points will be on the thing. You guys will see
Unplanned.
yourself. Yeah. Okay. Section 2 is complete the lyrics or guess the artist. Again, I'll repeat. For guess the artist, as soon as you know who it is, you guys can buzz it. For complete the lyric, please wait for me to finish so you guys can start.
So as soon as you're done with the lyric, do this.
Yeah. ठीक है?
No way.
Him.
That's too
So
zesty.
nice.
Him.
Bhai.
He can be zesty. You don't have to be zesty.
Okay.
I know you don't like. I like zesty.
Bet, bro. I got no like. Fuck it.
Okay. First one.
Round 2.
Round 2. Complete the lyric.
Somebody has to come up with the round 2 ball.
ये अगले episode से.
Bad scene कहाँ पे है भाई? Okay. Complete the lyric. Please wait for me to finish.
Hands up.
You guys may know this. One is young Sammy speaking. She hit pin drop.
Fuck you.
He's young Sammy speaking. J pin drop silence.
UP Shola boys, you know we love violence.
Come on, bro. Shout out my bro, young Sammy. Come on, dog.
Fair.
Come
He
on,
got it.
for life,
Okay.
for life.
Wait. Give the name of the artist. Wait, what's
No,
the
I said
question?
complete the lyric. He
Complete
completed
the
it.
lyric.
But you
I mean, you
literally
completed the
you
lyric.
said the artist name in the
No.
fucking.
I said complete the lyric. It's
Oh
not
yeah,
guess the artist, man.
fair.
भाई थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही गए.
Sorry.
Okay.
Shout out.
Number 2.
Sponsor.
Who said? So as soon as you hear this and you know, you can buzz. Ready? For this life I cannot change.
Travis Scott. For this life I cannot change.
Hey,
Hey,
Deep Up in a Man.
Okay.
Eminem. Yeah.
Fair. I give you that.
बवाल मचा दिया भाई दिल्ली में भाई बॉम्बे में आ रहा हूँ.
Okay, next. Who said? Yeah.
I know. Hanuman Kai.
ये क्या सीन है bro?
He said, yeah.
Big dogs now, right?
Big dog.
Yeah.
Who said? हाँ मेरे बाप का राजा.
अरे यार मुझे बोलना था ये.
Complete तो करो.
मैं बता रहा हूँ.
हाँ मेरे बाप का राज है. इन्हें पता मेरे सर पे ताज है. बेटे चले मेरे जब ज़बान ये मान सम्मान भी भूल जाए बोले रैप हमारी जात समान है.
Encore.
No way.
Wrong.
That's violation, dog.
Violation.
Bro, that's violation.
बता भाई.
Calm.
Calm
That's
भाई,
calm,
calm,
bro. That's
calm,
calm.
calm. Let's
और मतलब
go.
बहुत लोग मुझे बोलते हैं कि बालों से तू काम लगता है, bro. That's shit, bro. But like that.
But I think Balu se hype.
Calm, भाई.
Yeah.
Legit, bro. Like
Yeah.
evil twin.
5 points then.
Come on.
अब ये जाएगी viral. Okay, complete the lyric. Okay, wait for
ओए
me
रुक
to
जा.
finish.
ये बीच में नहीं रखा है.
Okay, बीच में? Okay. Ready? Drip too hard, don't stand too
Gunna.
close, you gon' fuck. What was my
Fuck
question?
Amanda.
What was my
These
question?
waves.
हाँ,
You didn't say it before.
minus one.
You didn't say
Minus
it.
one.
Bro,
Minus
no,
one.
no, no,
Minus
no,
one.
he didn't say it.
No,
Dude,
I
comment
said,
करो,
bro,
minus one
bro,
करो.
roll it back, roll it back.
Minus
It's such
one,
a smooth
minus
rhyme.
one.
बोला
That's
complete the lyric.
No.
नहीं, मैंने बोला complete the lyric.
Was it complete the lyric?
I literally just said before I said drip too hard, complete the lyric.
Okay.
Facts.
Drip too hard, don't stand too close. We gon' fuck around and drown off these waves.
ऐसे
that
कोई
part
नहीं लेना।
is
Wait,
in
wait.
part of the lyric. You have to wait for me to finish now.
Come on now, show. Up and on, no, go, no, go to Zach, get paid, back too hard. No,
that you didn't say.
कोई मम्मल allowed नहीं है,
I'm
मम्मल
not
allowed
accepting
नहीं
this
है।
answer. I'm not
ये
accepting
नहीं
this
चलता
answer.
भाई।
मैं मम्बल करता
एक second.
MC Stan में मम्बल करता
Hey, yo,
I'm not
shout
accepting
out
that
MC
answer.
Stan.
Hold on.
Wait.
Drip too hard, don't stand too close, we gon' fuck around and drown off these waves. Planning on the high, vision on the night.
Wrong.
Wrong late night, as long as I get paid.
Let me
Minus
finish.
one
One
होना
second.
चाहिए।
Let me finish the line. Wait till I finish the line
Okay,
to buzz
okay,
it.
okay.
Bro, you've played this game now 8 times. You should know how it goes. Okay?
Is this the 8th episode?
Yeah.
8th episode.
Congratulations.
Okay, fair. Congrats.
Okay, ready? Wait for me to finish and then you start.
मैंने बस कर दिया है तुम्हें
नहीं,
भाई ये इतनी इसको प्रैक्टिस हो रखी है ब्रो। इसको प्रैक्टिस मैं कर ही नहीं पा रहा हूँ भाई, क्या सीन है ब्रो?
Right, you
Okay,
can buzz
okay.
it as soon as I finish. Whoever buzzes first.
Okay.
ठीक है? Ready?
Gotta hit it twice.
Drip too hard, don't stand too close. You go fuck around and drown off this wave.
मैं ready नहीं था bro, what the fuck?
Banger 9. Cheated on a wife, long as I
No
get
way,
paid.
he cheated on your wife.
Yeah,
dog.
that's
No
actually
way.
it.
No, that's not the line. That's not the line.
No,
Okay. Do you know it?
Nah, fuck it.
You don't know it.
Ah, bet. I'm gonna give it to him. I'm gonna give it. That's minus one
I
for
think
him.
the closer
No,
one
no,
gets
you
it.
didn't, bro. Literally, you got 3 words right.
Cheated on a wife.
No way, you cheated on your wife. Dog. No way. No
Expose.
way. That's crazy.
I
That's
remember.
crazy,
Bro,
dog.
I'm 22. It's too early for me to get married.
Oh, man.
Okay, is that your final answer?
Yeah, for
Yeah,
sure.
incorrect. Doing all these shows, I've been on the road. I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That,
I said long as I
That's
get
facts.
paid.
Long
और
as I
अगर
get
तुम
paid
पे ही
doesn't
नहीं कर रहे हो
count,
किसी
yeah.
आर्टिस्ट को शो करने के लिए और बोल रहे हो कि एक्सपोजर गांड मराओ भाई,
Fuck
गांड
exposure.
मराओ
Fuck
भाई,
exposure.
एक्सपोजर ले लिया अपन ने।
Okay, ठीक है. No
सालों
one
से
got
ले
points
रहे
for that. I didn't. Sorry, bro. I don't
ठीक है,
accept
no
that.
stress.
ठीक है.
Drinking the game, by the way. Fuck it.
Section 3
I don't
trivia.
care. Section 9-1, bro.
Okay, section 9-1. Let's go.
Shout
7-1.
out.
Oh, 9-1. Let's go.
Type shit.
ठीक है.
Type shit.
Section
7-1
3,
actually.
Yeah.
7-1.
But DL91 is.
DL91
Shout out
section 7-1.
DL91.
Yeah.
Shout out
See them
DL.
all, bro.
Shout out
Biggest
section 7-1.
Inspiration, bro. सैमी के साथ गाना आ गया, bro.
हाँ,
That's like a
भाई.
fucking dream, bro.
मुद्दा भाई.
एक सेकंड किसका गाना आ गया?
तुम्हें नहीं पता, but शायद अब आ जाए जब ये निकल जाए।
Type shit. Type shit. Type
hey.
shit. Type shit.
You never
type
know,
shit,
bro.
You never know.
type shit.
You never know.
Let's
भाई,
go.
2 हफ्ते में निकल रहे हैं.
Type shit. Let's go. Let's go. Let's
Alright,
go.
section 3 trivia. Ready?
इसमें करना क्या है but?
Okay, as soon as I finish the question, buzz it. Or at any point, if you know the answer, buzz it and then say the answer.
Cool.
Okay, I'm gonna ask a question. Trivia about Western India, Desi hip hop. Cool,
bet,
ready?
bet,
Okay. What is the name of Emiway Bantai's latest release?
Who the fuck gives a shit, bro?
Matkar Lala, bro. It was all the memes I've seen on DHS.
Nah, I don't care, bro.
ठीक है.
Who do you give a shit? I don't give a shit.
Oh.
I give a shit, actually. I give major shit.
He's
but I
cool,
just
he's
don't.
cool, bro. But
Yeah, I love him. Love him. He's my
मेरे
favorite.
फीड में आया ही नहीं, bro.
I love him, bro.
अभी तक नहीं आया भाई, आ जाता तो शायद मैं जानता होता।
हाँ,
bro.
सही बात है, सही बात है, सही बात है।
Okay. What year did Travis Scott's Rodeo project release?
रोडियो तो चल बहुत पुरानी है। 2018।
I got one. 2019.
Nope.
Fuck.
मैं वही कहने वाला था, वैसे चल बच गया।
Yeah.
ठीक है,
No more
we're
answers,
both
no more
fucked,
guesses.
we're both fucked, we
Okay,
both-
2015.
What?
Yeah, it's
Bro,
been 10
that's
years,
mad,
bro.
that's
10
mad,
years
that's
to
mad,
rodeo.
तुम्हें 10 साल तो लगाने ही लगाने हैं इसके लिए। समझ रहे हो, तुम्हें अगर तुमने 10 साल नहीं लगाए हैं तुम्हें लगाने हैं फिर।
Young Flacco.
Facts.
Yeah.
Young Flacco.
Young Flacco, dog.
Bad bitch लगती Riri.
ओए लीक मत कर लिरिक्स, लीक। ये आर्टिस्ट बहुत गलत है ब्रो, ये स्टील कर लेते हैं लिरिक्स भाई।
Yeah.
हाँ भाई
No,
ओए।
no, no flow biting.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah. Okay. Name one project that AP and Gurinder Gill did together.
Fuck project, man. Shit.
AP and Gurinder Gill.
No excuses.
That's a song, not the project.
Excuses है गाने का नाम.
Project.
Yeah.
तो सॉन्ग भी तो प्रोजेक्ट ही है।
नहीं नहीं नहीं
एक
नहीं
तरीके
No,
से।
the question is album slash EP.
Okay,
The
okay.
project is an album slash EP. Okay.
चलिए, मेरे को पंजाबी समझ नहीं आती है बट मैं अप्रिशिएट पूरी करता हूँ।
I love how he's just giving clarification,
Yeah.
justification.
Okay, so no answer. There's 2 not by chance and hidden gems.
Not by choice.
Yeah. Okay.
Shout out my boy.
Shout out my bestie.
Bestie,
Keep my bestie. Okay,
Come
cool.
on, dog.
Fuck it.
Okay.
Let's go.
Name one song that featured both Krishna and Raftaar.
You hear first.
There's 9 songs, by the way.
Yeah.
What?
Between them.
I know none. I just heard it for the
Krishna
fuck
and
of it.
Raftaar,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
I
Way
know.
too drunk for this shit though. Way too drunk.
Shout
That's
out
on them.
sponsor.
Shout out
Shout out
sponsor.
sponsor, shout out not out.
I'm out though, Loki. Wait. Sazae Maut.
Yeah, that's correct. Yeah.
I had no fucking idea.
God, no. भाई अगर मैं गलत हो रहा था ना bro, अगर मैं गलत हो रहा था भाई
Fair,
बीटी
fair.
हो जाती
But the-
मुझे बीटी हो जाती
The fact that you get 5 points for
Yeah,
that is
you get
crazy.
5 points for that, bro.
I think I'm gonna have to do the dare for this one,
पता
bro.
नहीं जीत रहा
We'll see, bro. We'll see.
इस साइड
क्या
Yeah,
G
अभी
string?
यहाँ पे आएगा भाई.
स्कोर
G-string?
नहीं ए यो ए यो
Gee, where's one? I don't know about that.
Last question, round 3. Name 2 songs that feature both Nav and Travis Scott.
Nav hot
Okay.
yeah hot में
I don't think.
Hot? No, fuck.
Talks.
That
Yeah,
talks.
yeah,
भाई
yeah,
नहीं
yeah, yeah,
भाई
yeah.
तू वैसे hot
Wait.
नहीं है शायद से bro
No,
phone
it's
के
just
तरह
name 2. Take it, Turks and.
Hot doesn't
Hot
have Travis.
नहीं-
Hot doesn't
Hot
have
doesn't have
two
Travis.
songs बोलने दे
Yeah.
okay
Turks and.
Talks and Nav and
There's
Travis
4.
Scott
There's 4 between them.
Can I get? I will. Let me live.
अबे एक second bro
2, 1.
Turks and Champion.
You can't say Turks, bro. He said Turks.
facts
What the fuck?
Yeah,
big
bro.
facts
We've always done like that. Take
Okay,
a champion
we got Champion.
champion oh yeah
Living in the corner, dead in a rock star stepping.
भाई Talks
I'ma
क्या
get it
video
more,
रखी है
get it
bro.
more if I really wanna get it. You know what if I had to make that money fast if I had to.
But इससे point थोड़ी
Yeah,
बनता है
yeah.
bro भाई wait hold up मैंने एक बोल दिया
3.
No, I know there's
Yeah.
Turks there.
Yeah, there's Turks, there's Champion, and even if you have to
Champion,
name
Turks
one
and
more.
Champion. I said.
अबे Travis और Nav भाई Nav बहुत बढ़िया लगता है मुझे
Yeah.
मतलब मैं हमेशा
So he
सुनता
came, he
रहा हूँ
popped out at Travis Scott's show.
yeah fucking brown
Yeah.
boy dog come on
Where's Brown Boy here? Oh.
yeah bro
Alright, no one has an answer? 5, 4.
blame it on the liquor
No. There's Beebs in the Trap, and there's Yosemite as well.
Yosemite! Oh my god!
Yeah.
No
Okay.
fucking way we didn't get Yosemite, bro.
That's why I was like, that's why the question was
Fuck
2. 1
me,
thing you guys will
bro.
know.
Fuck me, bro.
That was the end of this very interesting sort of.
Bro, I have no idea who won. I have no idea.
We'll
who
see
won.
that बाद में. We'll count the points बाद में.
Fuck,
Now we have a
bro.
little fun question. These are no points.
Where's the DHH at, bro? There's no DHH in there.
Bro, the whole second complete the lyrics, that's the lyrics with DHH.
Fair.
Yeah.
I'll give you that.
The first question of this with DHH, did you know?
Which one?
Emily Bantaika.
अबे एमी में बनता है कौन सुनता है?
Bhai, okay, but
hey no clip that shit मैं सुनता
एमी में बनता है कौन नहीं सुनता है? I didn't say that. The buzzer said it.
yeah.
I didn't say shit.
no comments
Okay.
Alright,
Last, this is just fun questions. I'll ask you and I'll ask you rapid fire, just about yourself. Nothing you got to know about anyone else.
okay
Just rapid fire shit. मस्ती
तो
बकचोदी.
बजाना है ये बजाना है
नहीं
No,
भाई बजाना तो
मस्ती के लिए बजाना तो
Yeah.
बजा दो.
Top 2 tracks out of UP16.
top 2 tracks Silence Young Sammy Brick by Me
Hey,
bro, dog,
let's
come
go.
on.
Let's go.
Come on
Fair.
that's word
Okay. DHH artist you would not collab with.
सारे तो अपने भाई बंधु हैं है ना not collab with
Yeah.
हाँ good question
Good question.
good
Right?
question
Good question, but your question hurt me.
कौन सी पिक्चर थी वो बट वेट नॉट कोलैब विद भाई ऐसा अगर मैं किसी बंदे को जानता नहीं अभी तक तो शायद मैं नहीं करूंगा अगर मैं
Right, that's
जानता हूँ
not
तो मैं
answer.
तो
करूंगा
नाम बताओ फिर.
No, no.
तो मैं जानता ही तो मैं नाम कैसे बताऊं अगर मैं जानता
नहीं
ऐसे नहीं है भाई,
ऐसे नहीं ऐसे क्लैरिटी नहीं मिली आपको.
नॉट कोलैब
Bro,
विद
clearly before the episode said कोई controversial question मत पूछना. Well, psych.
एक ही controversial question है भाई.
Psych.
नॉट कोलैब विद आई फील ओके वेट सोचना पड़ेगा ब्रो इसका मैंने सीन थोड़ा सोचना पड़ेगा
Thinking time cut कर देगा rapid fire.
है ना नॉट कोलैब विद
Not that, right?
मैं ऑनेस्टली बताऊं तो मैं भूल गया हूं बहुत सारे लोग ना
ठीक है.
नहीं
क्योंकि
ऐसे
मैं
कैसे
सबको
जान-
प्यार बांटता हूं तो
ऐसे कैसे जान थे?
है ना
डर मत भाई, बोल. खुले से बोल.
ठीक है हसल में लास्ट कौन आया था
मुझे नहीं पता भाई कौन
तो
देखता है?
जो भी आया था फिर उसके साथ नहीं कर रहा हूं मैं
खुल भी ना.
ठीक है
Okay.
I bet. Come on.
हसल के किसी भी कंटेस्टेंट के साथ भाई को
नहीं 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 ऐसा ही है
नहीं, ऐसा ही है।
What the fuck?
Last season में
ऐसा ही है bro. क्या पता मैं भी होता बट जो भी है बट मेरे भाई लोग बहुत सारे थे शार और विचार नाम सूजल
CI.
और सियाई और
ठीक है भाई, ठीक है, okay.
MC Stan,
MC Stan Big Boss.
बिग बॉस बट ये आंसर नहीं था वैसे मेरा I'm sure I'm
यही आंसर था भाई,
नहीं,
यही आंसर था भाई का।
Okay, most embarrassing moment on stage.
मोस्ट एम्बैरेसिंग चल मेरे साथ नहीं होता बट मेरा एक दोस्त है मैं चल नाम नहीं लूंगा उसका माइक गिर गया था
अब एक सेकंड, दोस्त का कर रहे हो तो नाम ले हो या फिर अपना करो।
है ना मैं नाम ले लेता हूँ
ये क्या था?
मैंने नाम ले लिया मैंने नाम अगर इन्होंने
नहीं,
check कर
नहीं,
दिया तो मेरी गलती
On
नहीं है
camera, on
ये
camera.
एडिट पे एडिटर के पास जाओ और देखो जो भी है
नहीं, नहीं,
मैं-
नहीं, नाम चाहिए।
मैं परफॉर्म कर रहा था एक बंदे का हम क्लब में गए थे और बहुत लेट था मैंने उस रात गाना निकाला था फटो और ये भी हम लोग उस इवेंट में और एक बंदे का माइक गिर गया था मतलब भाई है अपना कोई
फाटो का जो कोलैबोरेटर था फिर।
नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है ऐसा कुछ नहीं है ओए यार ऐसा कुछ नहीं है ब्रो बट लिसन तो किसी एक बंदे का एक था पता नहीं कोई तो
हाँ, कोई पता नहीं।
ओपन कर रहा था मैंने
हाँ, सही
तो
बात, सही बात।
उसका कोई माइक वाइक गिर गया था
टाइप शिट।
तो मैंने कहा शिट नो वे माइक गिर गया
बस वही।
तो उसने माइक उठा लिया वो तो दैट व्हाट काउंट्स
कम ऑन
तुम फक अप कर दो और इसके बाद तुम उसे कैसे बैक इन दैट व्हाट काउंट्स ब्रो मतलब
मोटिवेशनल टॉकर बेबी भी।
तुम देखो तुम
That's all that
करते
matters.
रहो तुम छोड़ो मत समझ रहे हो तो जो भी है
मोटिवेशन बाय
Okay, chalo, I guess that's half an answer.
Half an answer.
In one word, where do you see yourself in 5 years?
at the top
that's 3 words.
top
Top.
Top.
Top boys.
top boys
Top boys.
that 2 words
Type shit.
that's big man thing
Bol bhai.
Type
3
shit.
words
Type shit.
1 word
Yeah.
Top. Vagina.
उसके ऊपर क्या करूंगा
Not how you did this.
ये क्वेश्चन थोड़े फक्ड अप है ये गेम इज रिग्ड
I think the questions are great.
Right?
Alpha.
It's easy, quick.
Shout out to Alpha for
कि मैं
getting
अगले
bro,
5
no
साल
love,
में
bro.
मैं अगले 5 साल में क्या कर रहूंगा
No. In one word,
It's
where do you
generic.
see yourself in 5 years?
okay at the top
Chalo.
that's fucking 3 words I can't help it bro
I think you should just say
that's him that's him
bhai, That's him.
That's
Okay.
him.
I didn't say that shit.
These answers have been lovely. Okay, if you could perform at any festival around the world, what would it be?
Rolling
Rolling
Loud.
Loud.
Oh, what the fuck? Like Rolling Loud. Straight.
Lollapalooza,
Fair.
Rolling Loud whatever.
I'm
So
sorry I
which one would
spoke
it
for
be?
him, but I
Right,
know
let
it
him
is.
answer.
I
What
know
would
it
it be?
is.
Then Rolling Loud or Lollapalooza?
I would have my own festival, you know. और मतलब कि मैं उसमें कर रहा हूँ और जो भी है तो जो भी है समझ रहे हो तुम समझ रहे
मतलब
हो
आंसर ही नहीं
समझ
दे
रहे हो
रहे हो।
भाई समझ भाई
बस
समझ
शारा और लोलापालूजा एंड रोलिंग लाउड दो
Yeah.
मैं अगर मैंने तब तक अपना बना लिया तो फिर तो सीन है
ठीक है, which Rolling Loud?
Which?
There's
Cities.
मुझे लगता है
there's like 6
20
countries now where Rolling Loud is
Wait.
playing.
ओके नहीं 2020 2 साल बाद रोलिंग लाउड फॉर श्योर
Which one?
एनी
2 साल next year, bro.
Right.
Easy next year.
मैं भी चाहता हूँ कि मतलब मैं कुछ चीजें निकालूं जो मुझे मजा आए बहुत ही गांड फाड़ परफॉर्म करने के लिए उस बड़े स्टेज में विद अ फकिंग लाइव बैंड एंड यू नो
But I think you're overestimating 2 years, bro.
लोग कि अब क्योंकि मैं आर्टिस्ट हूँ मैं खुद करता हूँ तो मतलब कि मैं थोड़ा
बोले
ध्यान
भाई,
ले लेता हूँ बट
Bitch.
Yeah, you-
whatever
Yeah,
bro,
भाई.
whatever
Okay.
come on.
What's the name of the last song you wrote that's unreleased?
टेबल्स टर्न
Take us time.
क्योंकि मतलब समझ रहे हो क्योंकि तुम कभी भी लो हिट कर सकते हो अपनी लाइफ में और मैं म्यूजिक कर रहा हूँ तो तुम तो हमेशा कर सकते हो लो हिट बट हमेशा ये बात याद रखो कि टेबल्स टर्न समझ रहे हो टेबल्स टर्न ब्रो व्हाटएवर यू जस्ट डोंट क्विट
Don't quit.
दैट्स वैक शिट
That's why.
yeah bro
Okay, last question for you. Worst advice you've ever received?
leave music
Yeah. Who said
Yeah.
that?
some
Most people.
some uncles
Yeah. Fuck them, bro.
कि म्यूजिक छोड़ दो गॉड नो स्कोप एंड सम शिट बट दैट मोटिवेट्स मी
Yeah.
Yeah, I want to prove them wrong as well. I want to do my thing. I have believe people, a lot of people believe in me as well. I believe in myself. और अगर तुम खुद में believe नहीं कर रहे होगे तो कोई सीन नहीं है. तो मतलब a lot of people, you know, say कि मतलब कि भाई क्या सीन है म्यूजिक का ये वो ऐसे ऐसे इंडिया में इतना कोई सीन नहीं है ये वो और Battlefield tables turn.
It was turn, bro.
Tables turn, bro.
Okay.
Love for that, my brother.
Ah,
Gracias, bro. You did very well
Come
today.
on, dog.
Fucking love. Okay,
Come on,
now
He got that dog in him, bro.
the dog in him. Okay, Russ. Your top 2 guitarists.
Top 2 guitarists.
Yeah.
I go for Eric Clapton and John Mayer.
About Jenny.
But not Butchie.
Gotta
Eric
hear it
Clapton.
twice, bro. Gotta hear it twice. Gotta hear it twice.
Actually, Eric Clapton and John Mayer. Yeah.
Yeah. Fair. Would you
If
go
you're not coming for John Mayer, I don't fuck with you.
I'm going for John, man.
I know
I
you
fuck
will.
with you. You go for John Mayer? Bombay? I fuck with you.
Of course.
What the fuck is that?
Okay.
Buy that ticket now, bro.
Facts. Why are we promoting John Mayer?
I'm not, bro.
Fuck. Yeah.
BBB ticket. अगर तुमने खरीदा
Auto, 28th November. BBB
क्योंकि-
performing.
Yeah, bro. Come on, yo. Shout out, shout out, yo. भाई क्योंकि
Mosh.
अगर तुम्हें खरीदना पड़ेगा टिकट, क्योंकि अगर तुम बड़े आर्टिस्ट को बोल रहे हो कि भाई वो लोग सीन कर रहे हैं ये वो हम उनके शोज पे आएंगे तो तुम्हें देखना पड़ेगा. मतलब ट्रैक स्पॉट के शो पे चले गए लोगों को लिरिक्स भी आती हैं. कल्चर अभी बढ़ रहा है, बहुत सीन होएगा ब्रो. आओ तो एक बार.
Get in on the low end so you
Come on,
grow
bro.
with the scene.
है ना ब्रो.
Yeah.
That's what's up.
You're
सीन अपने ही है.
ये
नहीं है, bro.
कौन सा था bro? He's a beatboxer like that.
okay. Would you go back to UK if you could?
Would I go back to the
Yeah.
UK? At this point, probably not. I have too much going on in Delhi for me to like head back. Cause
Fair.
crew, bro.
Yeah.
Mosh,
Shout out crew,
Mosh, 28th November, dog.
Come on, bro.
Promo.
Yeah, promo.
Come on, dog.
Okay. At what point did you know music was for you?
When I was in the first grade and I performed Teri Hai Zami, Tera Asma on stage.
Oh.
Burning Train का गाना है ये. मैंने first grade में perform किया था solo performance at Modern School Barakhamba Road. That's when I fucking knew. And after that, I used to come to my dadi's karaoke set and sing Beat It. And that was the only English song in the whole karaoke set. And I used to get 100 score.
Hey.
My whole family was like, ये लड़का बनेगा.
Come on, no, come on.
Let's go. Okay. Where do you see Crew in 5 years?
What do I see Crew in 5 years? Honestly, I don't even want to talk about it because Nazar is real. Nazar is real.
He didn't say Nazar when he answered.
Yeah, but for this one, I want to say Nazar is real because I believe in Nazar.
Fuck another.
I don't want to say anything about Crew. When I talk about Crew is off camera. Touch wood.
Okay. Do you think we're in the best era of music? If not now, then when?
In India, for the space we're in, I think, as BBB also said, we're the forerunners, is what you said?
Yeah.
Forefront.
Forefront. Yeah,
Forefront of the scene. If the scene is growing from now on, there's a specific kind of personnel that's on the front, the kind of army that's on the front, and I believe that we're on the army that goes from the front to the top, and that's us. And yes, I think for us, we're at the best possible time. we
और
could
सबको
be at.
सपोर्ट करना चाहिए ब्रो, क्योंकि ऐसे ही तो बढ़ेगी कम्युनिटी.
Facts.
मतलब है ना, अगर तुम सपोर्ट नहीं करोगे और तुम बोलोगे कि भाई मतलब जो भी है, मतलब तुम्हारे पास पावर है, मतलब समझ लो मैक्सिमम पावर तुम लोग के पास है, तो मतलब तुम्हें करना पड़ेगा गेम.
Please.
Come on.
Support it.
Support.
Level up.
Full support.
It's all brick
Full
by
support.
brick, bro.
Yeah, brick by
है ना?
brick.
Brick by brick.
Brick by brick. Fucking shout out, dog. Come on, dog.
Okay.
Okay.
Two DHH artists you want to see collab together?
See, collab together.
Yeah.
Who haven't done it
No,
yet?
who haven't done anything yet.
I'll go MC Stan because I just want to see him work with everyone because I fucking love him to my core.
Town baby.
I want to see Stan collaborate with. I think we'd rather not take names of anyone who's here because that gets unfair. I think I want to see MC Stan collaborate with Boy Black.
Oh, interesting.
I think that'll
That's
go
gonna
hard
be
as
hard,
Very interesting.
bro.
Good
I think that'll
answer.
go hard
Good
as
answer.
That's gonna be hard.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And any one DHS album you got on repeat?
Got on repeat.
Yeah.
Multani Mitti.
Multani Mitti.
That's tough. That's tough. DRV, shout out DRV.
Shout out BB.
Come on, bro.
BB.
भाई
Shout out
बहुत लोग
BBB.
confuse हो जाते हैं bro,
Also,
है ना? कोई गेम नहीं है, कोई गेम नहीं है.
I got money on some weed. Tell me what's the deal. Sipping on some North, out speaking on some lean. Yeah, I'ma show you what the scene is. Sipping on some lean, baby. Show me where the weed is. The crush. Yeah, I ain't never crushed. So hey, take another sip, I take a drag. Yeah. Ha.
अभी मैं आया वापस जैसे धोनी मार के 100 पवेलियन ये बैटल फ्रीडम वाली और मैं लड़ रहा जैसे किलियन शी ऑन माय माइंड दैट माइंड मिसेस मिलियंस वो मिलना चाहती रोज है बैटमैन विच में घूम सीरियस
Hey.
हाँ ना सम शिट बट come on dog.
Too good.
Hey,
Too
bro.
good, bro.
Come on.
Okay. All right. Now we've calculated the scores.
I'm afraid.
We're gonna show you guys in a second.
I'm so
as I
soft.
announce
I'm
the
so
scores.
soft right now.
Yeah. Are you guys ready?
Hey yo, what the fuck?
Yeah.
I'm so
Alright.
soft. Are you hard? I'm soft.
Oh god. Okay.
Sorry,
All
guys.
right. And the winner today with a score of 25 to 14.
Hey,
25 to
I
14.
lost.
That's
Is-
a big jump.
Let's go! BBB!
What?
Brick by brick, brother. Brick by brick. Yeah.
Yo!
That's just
How
what it
did
is.
you manage? I don't
Section 2, he got all of them.
Are you sure you
Yeah,
got
yeah.
the scores
Section 2,
right?
he got all of them.
समझ रहे हो तुम गेम समझ रहे हो तुम गेम समझो भाई
Who the winner again?
Fucking big bar break dog
Yeah.
No, I actually thought I won.
I
bro.
see,
I
here you go.
actually fucking
I thought
won.
he won bro
This was first, this was second, and this was third.
Show it the camera.
I mean, they'll see now.
They'll
Yeah,
see,
but
they'll
they'll see. You guys will see.
वाह वही तो bro अपन कर देते हैं
I guess Bakshi is.
Not let's
Not
go.
out, yeah boy
Okay, so now come here. You get to do a very special thing. You get to bring in our wheel of death for this guy to spin. Can you please bring that in? How do you feel, bro?
I swear to fucking God, I thought I won.
Yeah.
I actually thought I won.
Okay.
It is what it is. With nothing to say. Side chick trying to upgrade to the main.
Oh shit. Okay. You know how this works? You know how this
Yeah.
works?
Type shit.
Basically,
He's seen one reel.
Yeah. I'm gonna come on this side. You stay on that side. Basically, no, you come. You come. Okay. What we're gonna do is he's gonna spin it, and when he says stop, you just stop the coin. Okay? Are you ready?
Yes.
Rochelle.
आंखें बंद कर
Spin that shit. Wait, you say stop. You say stop.
Stop.
Arre.
Reveal your last search on IG.
This is
Hey, no way.
This is specialty given by our sponsor.
That's the
Let's
worst
go.
thing
Let's go.
No
I did. Wait, the sponsor said this?
No, she said this.
That's what I was like. That's what I was
let
like.
me
I
delete
said
this real quick let me delete it real
Not
quick
yours. It's
No,
his.
it's mine.
It's his.
oh fuck
It's the
Yeah,
loser.
it's the loser.
Oh,
Now
If you want to though, go ahead.
oh shit no
If you want to,
fine,
you can
fine,
go
fine,
ahead.
fine.
Okay, so now we guys gonna say, pull out your fucking phone.
My entire last search or
Whatever.
just my
Click
last
on the
last
search
search?
button, whatever comes up.
मैं अपना देखने लग गया था
Yeah.
क्या सीन था उसका
Hold right phone.
मुझे नहीं पता, bro.
Yeah.
There's
Kuch
gonna be
delete
some
mat
mad
kar,
hell
bhai.
in there,
Kuch
bro.
delete mat kar, bhai.
I'm hoping it's not out. Okay, I'm gonna
Wait,
show it
one
to you
second.
and then the
Yeah.
camera. Because I need to see it first.
No, but
if,
you
it's,
can't
if it's
delete-
too
but you
bad,
can't
then
delete
we're
it. But you
gonna
can't
do
delete it,
another
bro.
day. Okay. Oh, you're savvy!
yeah, yeah.
You're
Okay.
savvy!
Young Sammy shout out
Yeah.
boy
All fine. Nothing scandalous.
Okay.
Nothing scandalous on the boy. हो जाएगा? हो गया? See, he's a good boy, bro. Okay. Easy, fun, nothing. Believe in yourself.
Shiva Darshini, believe you yourself. That's what's
बोलना
up.
भाई?
shout out crew
Yes.
भाई ये लोग बहुत बढ़िया काम कर रहे हैं
By the way, we didn't ask him to say that. So
you know, like,
no
कोई
sponsor.
scene नहीं है, no sponsor, but like लोग की bro ये लोग अपने भाई लोग हैं और बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं and मुझे लगता है कि हम सबको जो भी community का part है उन लोग को support करना चाहिए gotta be a part of the community क्योंकि ऐसे ही community भी बढ़ेगी और तुम भी बढ़ोगे और अकेले कोई नहीं बढ़ता है bro सबको साथ लेके चलना होता है that's gotta be your mindset and I'm glad to have these people around me, you know, with great mindsets, great aura, you know, great energy, great frequency. और ये AI version हो गया. Now go
So,
on,
bro,
dog.
lots of love. Thank you so much for pulling up.
Come on,
We'll
dog.
see you guys on the next
Thank
time.
you, gang.
Cheers,
Love you.
bye. Hey.